Hello friends, I am Onam Sinha. I am doing my BTech at IIT Delhi in Chemical Engineering, and I am going to give solution of JEE advanced level problems which were given in the quiz. Okay, so now let's start from first question. First question asks the number of solution for the pair of equations in interval 0 to 2 pi, and the equations are given: 2 sin square theta minus cos 2 theta equal to 0 and 2 cos square theta minus 3 sin theta equal to 0. Since we can write cos 2 sin square theta equal to 1 plus 1 minus cos 2 theta, okay, so 1 minus cos 2 theta minus cos 2 theta equal to 0, and we will have 1 equal to 2 cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta equal to 1 by 2, and here it is given that theta is in the range of 0 to 2 pi, so 2 theta will be in the range of 0 to 4 pi. So 2 theta will be 1 pi by 3, okay, and other will be 2 pi minus pi by 3, and 2 pi plus pi by 3, and 4 pi minus pi by 3. These four will be the solution of first equation. Now solve the second equation. This term will always be positive, okay, and sin cos 2 theta will always be cos 2 theta equal to 1 by 2, okay. So here sin theta should be negative, okay, should be positive to get cancel out, and we will have LHS equal to 0. So we can easily see that pi by 3 is in first quadrant, which will be positive, okay. Sin theta of this term will be positive, and 5 pi by 3 which lies in this quadrant, okay. So it will be sin theta, its sin value will be negative, and its sin value will be positive, and it's negative. So we will have only two solutions. You can check it: pi by 3 and 7 pi by 3. Now question number 2. Positive value of n greater than 3 satisfying the equation 1 by sin pi by n equal to 1 by sin 2 pi by n plus 1 by sin 3 pi by n. So we have to find the value of n. Sin 2 pi by n can be written, 1 by sin 2 pi by n can be written as 1 by sin pi by n minus 1 by sin 3 pi by n. Take the LHS as this. Now what is the value of sin A minus sin B? 2 sin A minus B by 2 into cos A plus B by 2. So we will write here 2 sin A minus B by 2 means pi by n into cos A plus B by 2 means 2 pi by n. Okay. Now these two terms will get cancelled out. Then bring this in LHS, and now it becomes in the form of 2 cos theta into sin theta. So it can be written as sin 2 theta means sin 4 pi by n. Okay. Now both these function are equal. So 3 pi by n must equal to pi minus 4 pi by n or equal to 2 pi plus 4 pi by n. Okay. So take here n pi. Now solving first equation will give you 7 pi by n equal to n pi. Pi will get cancelled out and we will have n equal to, this n is, we can write n, write this as n dash because this n is not same to this n. So n dash n equal to 7 and n dash have value 1 2 3 4 or anything. So n can be 7. Okay. Now come to question number 3. The number of solution for the equation 3 sin square x minus 7 sin x plus 2 equal to 0, which lies in the interval 0 to 5 pi. Okay. So solve this equation 3 into 2 6. So we will have sin x equal to here 6 by 3 or 1 by 3. Okay. You can solve this equation. You will get the same answer. So sin x, can sin x be equal to 2? No. So only sin x can be 1 by 3. Okay. Value of sin x is positive only in the 2 quadrant, first and second. So here it will give one solution, here it will give another solution, and again we since we have to find the value in between 0 to 5 pi, so we will again have value in these both quadrant, and we will have third value in these quadrants, and so total values will equal to 6. Okay. Now question number 4. The number of triplets a1, a2, a3 such that a1 plus a2 cos 2x plus a3 sin square x equal to 0. Okay. Now write sin square x equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2. One minus cos 2x divided by 2 equal to 0. So we will have a1 plus a3 by 2 plus cos 2x into a2 minus a3 by 2 equal to 0. Okay. Cos 2x equal to a3 by 2 minus a2, a3 by 2 plus a1. These all values a1, a2 and a3 are arbitrary. So we can, these three all are independent to each other. So we can find any value of a1, a2 and a3 and can get cos 2x in the range of -1 to 1. So there are there will be many variable. Okay. So the number of terms of this triplet, the number of triplets will be infinite.